Most traders never fail because of strategy. They fail because of visibility. Every time you share a goal, talk about your progress, or try to prove something, you leak discipline. You let the world into your head, and once the world is inside your head, the market owns you. You start trading to impress, pushing size to feel significant. You take dumb trades because someone else made a profit today, and you feel left behind. You're not trading anymore, you're performing, and performers get slaughtered. Trading demands a level of self-control that society has destroyed over the years. You check your phone 200 times a day. You scroll for validation. You crave applause for effort instead of results. You think you're battling the market. You're not. You're fighting your ego, insecurity, and need to be seen. Every time you post your Road to 100,000 challenge, your subconscious thinks you've already achieved something. Your motivation drains, your discipline melts, and the charts expose you. The market doesn't care about your dreams. It doesn't care about your goals and potential. It responds to one thing: how well you control your own mind. When I say disappear, I don't mean run away. I don't mean quit. I mean go dark. Stop talking about the trades you might take. Stop bragging about the wins you accidentally caught. Stop explaining your goals to people who don't even understand their own lives. Cut the noise, the comparisons, and the exposure. Disappear from social media. Disappear from group chats filled with losers guessing the next move. Disappear from every environment that makes you trade emotionally. You don't need applause, you need accuracy. You don't need praise, you need peace. You disappear because predators hunt in silence. Going dark is uncomfortable. That's why most people can't do it. You'll sit alone with your mistakes, your flaws, your impulsive tendencies, your insecurities, and your emotional triggers. It's just you and the charts, you and your journal. You'll backtest while everyone else is partying. You'll build discipline while everyone else seeks shortcuts. You'll study your losses instead of lying about them. You'll bleed mentally without anyone clapping for you. And that's the exact point. The shadows are where your weaknesses die, because when you're alone, there's nowhere to run. No distractions, no validation. Just the raw, unfiltered version of you. The version the market already sees clearly. Face him, fix him, and you rise. When you stay in the shadows long enough, something shifts. Your emotions stop controlling you. Your strategy sharpens. Your patience becomes lethal. You stop chasing trades. You stop feeling FOMO. You stop needing anyone to understand you. You become your own source of confidence, your own teacher, your own competitor. Consistency stops being luck. It becomes your identity. You stop being a gambler and turn into a weapon. But here's the twist. Once you disappear long enough, you won't want to come back. You'll realize the world only claps when they think you just got good, but they never saw the years of silence that made you who you are. You'll come back if you want to, but when you do, it won't be to show off. It'll be because you're now untouchable, self-built, self-disciplined, self-made. Or maybe you stay in the shadows forever, because in the dark, there's no noise, no pressure, no expectations. Only improvement, only precision, only truth. If trading feels impossible, disappear. If your emotions control you, disappear. Trading is hard when you're loud, visible, distracted, and emotional. But when you disappear, the market finally becomes quiet enough for you to hear it. And that's when everything changes.